Yes, people, welcome to the channel. My name is DJ Paco Rich. Now, hi, and Ghana. We are bringing you full list of celebrities. Wako Sing-a-thon there. Wareko support Afua. Yes, Oye Akwaba village. But let's start with the prayers. Oye Shatawali, aka Bandana, aka Wandon. And I tried the Ozzy Afua and his same Oridra and Paibo, Ozzy Guefua and his same. And this is very beautiful and wonderful on the side of Shatawali. No matter how fair, Oye Afua glass now or to human woman. But you can see the excitement on Shatawale and him. Chede nenwaje there a raberi ye bibi damo money na tainetru. Everybody is supporting this beautiful lady for the wonderful work she's doing. Yes, it is beautiful. Shata or she Afua tonenyo my level. I know my level. And it was a good experience and a good feeling at our Kwaba village when Shata showed all love. SM pa. Yes, Sister Afua one say man. One of the female celebrities, she's been very real. Before other celebrities went there, on no okata sword. Yeah, chede will be okata sword. On no obey, I know. She went there first musician. She was spotted charging her up and was Sister Afua, and that. Others will follow. Now, young Conqueror witness the comedians, yes, Kwekumenu, aka Bob Siga, aka Wobetekra, we me test all the way from Kumasi, Kumawood, was in town to support if you are not quite so Kashiana counterpart, the skits maker, Jeffrey Naughty, and I tried on so what gentlemen I tried was 7 woman moral support. A the sun was shining like that because in Samuel Ghana. We have to give you the vibe. Yes, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, aka Mr. Digital, aka Mr. Bawumia, Doctor, also on your Sami Ewuku and the other MPP delegations called Akwaba Village War holding the Ghana flag. The respect in there was nothing MPP there. Science and math quiz, oh yeah, what professor, Mamana Suno Jino, and now Osibot the Zara man, on your Frankie 5. Yes, industry players. Jinem naturally fashionista. Ocha selfie kakra on Frankie 5 at them chochome. On also the glass this senator do. Naturally. Basha supported out of what they might Afua or ye Akwaba village. Lydia Force aka Ekumfisra Fa or ye Queen. And I check the Ojinem no na shoko the radio personality or so your actress not long ago no yeah ni stage play our friend blame the gods who say you can't blame the gods who say something with George Kui. And I check there one so Ojinem na worry mama Afua moral support Lydia Fossen washani wig ya and I check there action why me ye PSC star yes. From the gospel fraternity, Washa, mo hits maker, and that cheddar okajina, mammy, and you not cheddar all bon vibes. That delay so the form and the shape. The Kajina Homa cheddar boys in are confused. Now, wash any skinny be a chicha no one with the delay nampa. Don't pay no mono cheddar the Jina or you're very wonderful. I should delay the package also quite cheddar too delicious. The delay nampa no pain. One delay because you already search of you, but delay. Big ups to you for supporting your sister. Delay the look alike. Oh yeah, Felicia say aka Mama Lenda, ne last born or so or Zinutu akakrakana chere ne packaging asu kejina mo ho was so kakrama oh yeah fans and a boy said will be excited. Bosha MC ya boasono ojine nyim ho Pamela Dami yenhuna cher mami aka Cowbell ono su kojinem and a chere on man for support Pamela Dami yenhuna cher ojinem and I check all my Afua support us Afua in my chest you will live forever and I check energy you big or you dope now I samara nyene now once be episode yes episode aka shots by devil Oye DSL, oye lens signing, and a cheddar worker shame war ground so we exchange greetings now the episode no waving be Nana Brown. Yes, aka Screen Goddess, Onuya TV, Oya Showtime host, Nanama Mac Brown, Odzini, and you Nana Honzi in Qatar. If for it, you know about positive vibes there, Nanama Mac Brown, or let's down, or you make requests, so why you screen the CCR. Not make request alone, but make request doing it with Afua the Gingham. Yes, Jane Aweno, aka Afua no kere. Mami Afua, me be a pede to be a to me catalog in every song that I have. That channel supporting your real. Nanyado was still on Cotton okay. She actually went to the grounds also to support her and her friend Patricia, aka Calibos, aka Medin Kwasia Samson or Chado Jinawa, Chada Washegwa Kakawa Mami Low, no kitane handbag to the men's gold color. And that channel Oba Afua supports F Jane. Hey! Wada kwabada Becca ida oye enu na kwabirana and also wa line up the channel one support. It's a long time you kwabana on na oye Becca together. Last time I yet so one young oye you lied to me. Minyimuda ma kumanye wara and I chere enu onyene dancers and washeshe wa hot pants na kwabirana. What can you mean? What's it? Asa, what's good? And it was beautiful. Adina, forgive Adina na. Onyini road manager Jake, you know what you name na chede. What's woman Afua support. Bosha na chede Adina a singer into only what it takes for somebody to go into this competition. Opere, aka landlord, huh? Yes, sir. Kodia so representing onyini entourage. Black Nana head security masa kode and an angel na manager would you know wanna chere one my Afua support and then obo rapaholic and wa bre but also no or them come my sister moral support. This is for our country, this is for our Ghana, this is for our music. So Beverly Afago artist wa Afua perform one empire prior. Yes, I've been there twice and I could see Afua performing their song back to back. Into Beverly Afago representing Nukun Oye Prior Honey Ho, and it was a beautiful experience. Not to forget our sports personality. So also will pray more ho a chance or say CB Oye arm wrestling war president in a Wokotri Oye Ghanaian footballer, international footballer. Derek Boateng, when it comes to football there, you know you can't take Derek Boateng out of football. And I chere ono sokwe and I chere odinenyu minyam kotama miuforechi. So this has been a wonderful experience. This has been so beautiful and overwhelming, and this is what we are looking for. This has brought Ghana together. And now we only thought today it was only football that could bring us together, but Derek Boateng wahobi. And we have seen that music is another source that could unite our country, regardless our political differences and our hard times. This is beautiful. This is really, really, really beautiful. And we applaud Afua and her team for such a wonderful organization. Everything is on point. Ghana tourism, so we are famous, we're more on venue, or you're spacious. KLV in a channel also okita microphone or granting interview Ebony na papa on KMG one so where interview kakrana Gloria Safo. Yes, if you're TV series or your actress one so what kakra. The other lady on her left and also your actress but nizana skip him kakra. If you're papa bi so no trem Elek Kumaji. Yes, Elek Taylor Elek Wanyum Elekem Anna on your John D. Domelo, onion bar, or your grounds on a cherry energy in atmosphere in our charge, the farmer, the aspiring MP of East Legon, or yeah, John Dumelo. Yes. Namibwa this year, the Wabos and our father channel, the energy better fastly that will hail John Dumelo, the other squad. And it has been a beautiful experience at the Akwaba village. Myself, I have been there, that I've regard or Kakodeshi Tibida, warrior the whole event. And this has been one of the best concerts that people have witnessed this year with no artist performing, but if for doing a DSP Kofi support, this is not the industry, but as the police ranks goes high, this is our society. You maintain Kofi support out the channel. Also coordinate your audience. The watch on it with Sakura, coffee, neat, sharp. To them be or your audience moral support. And the interesting thing in there. Say a gospel artist, so say a hip life artist, so it's that same song that you vibe to it. So it's been a wonderful experience. People are still looking out for more people to be there. The Narcis, the Joyce Blessings, and the rest all need to be there. Yes, Nana Coffee US or your TikToker Nana Koye Ada TikTokers, Kawan Bob in an evangelist Renipa, yes, or in a squad and one bay in a channel, Womba, or yeah, Afua moral support. So far, so good. We have encountered great personalities. We'll break more. My name is DJ.